Welcome to the old Mayfield place. It's 47 degrees, it's windy, and it's been raining off and on, but it is not raining right now, and it's time to plant lettuce. Planting lettuce in March is a great way to get an early start in your gardening season. Lettuce doesn't mind cooler weather. In fact, it prefers it, so plant your lettuce about 4 weeks before your last frost date. Mine is April the 12th, and today is March the 12th, so perfect! Here are some tips to help get you started. First, choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Lettuce prefers a cool, moist environment, so look for a spot that gets morning sun but is shaded in the afternoon. Next, prepare the soil by loosening it to a depth of 6 to 8 inches and mix in some compost or well-rotted manure. This will improve your soil fertility and drainage. I'm planting 2 different types of lettuce this year. Leaf lettuce is a cut-and-come-again plant. This means that the plant keeps sending out new leaves after you've cut it off, and you can harvest it over and over again. I've also started some head lettuces in the greenhouse to transplant into the garden, but I won't be doing that for a couple more weeks. Head lettuce is pretty much a one-time harvest. Once you cut the head off, it's pretty much done. Sow the leaf lettuce seeds directly into the soil. I'm planting in my gardener salad bowl today. In the past, I've bought different types of leaf lettuce and mixed them together myself, so this saves me a step. This way I get a mix of lettuces to make salads. I've roughed up the soil, and like I said, it's been raining the last few days, so it's already moist. After cutting some shallow rows, I just have to sprinkle the seeds in and cover them lightly with soil. According to the package, I should start seeing some germination of the seeds in 7 to 10 days, and I should be getting my first harvest in about 45 days. Harvest the leaves when they reach the desired size, or harvest the entire head when it is fully mature. I'm only planting half of this bed today. I'll be planting the other half in about a week, and I will be planting half of the second planter in 2 weeks and then in 3 weeks. This way I'll be getting a continual harvest over the summer and won't have too much at one time. At $2 a head for lettuce versus $2 for an entire pack of seeds that I can harvest over and over again, planting lettuce is a no-brainer. Water your lettuce regularly to keep the soil moist, but be careful not to overwater it. Overwatering can lead to root rot. You should fertilize the lettuce with a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks to help it grow strong and healthy. Thanks for stopping by the old Mayfield place today. Stay healthy, enjoy your salad, and have a blessed week.